beyond the visibility aspect of things, there's also the automation aspect, right? Because we don't just want to live in dashboards, we want this stuff to be taken care of without really any interaction. And this is where this is another area where there's a lot of power in the integrated solution with Zimperium and Workspace ONE. So again, being able to identify threats that are relevant but are specific to you as an organization, right? So it may be something where you want to build out a rules engine that is focusing specifically on and taking actions above and beyond a threat if the device is, say, connected to a sensitive network or something along those lines. So you can now build out certain automations around those rules policies. In this case, we're looking at the severity of the event, seeing if the threat category contains any of these type of threats, be it malware, network exploits, etc., and really kicking this off if the device was connected to any of these networks. In this case, we're using my test Wi-Fi as a simulated network. But we could do this off of any number of items, be it network ID, BSSID, domains, etc. And that's a lot of the power of the engine that Workspace ONE provides, along with the fact that Zimperium actually has the forensics that can be leveraged to trigger these things, along with all the detection events. And then from an automation perspective, we can build out some very granular automation. So in this case, we would start with maybe some notifications to a general Slack channel, maybe kicking off the removal of a payload or profile because the device is under Workspace UEM management. So leveraging the management tools at place to automate those items without having to go in and set up a compliance policy or any number of those things. Again, also leveraging some additional notifications either to a distribution list or to the user with context around the actual threat. And if we wanted to, we could start kicking off things like ServiceNow integrations to automate maybe the replacement of a device if the device was compromised, or any number of things. Also, there's kind of an unlimited amount of integrations that are possible, especially considering Workspace ONE has a open REST API platform. So really the possibilities are somewhat endless.